Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a car dealer license in Texas. So, first things first, you're going to need to set up a legal business, register your business, LLC, corporation, or DBA. Get sales tax permit from the Texas Comptroller and apply for an EIN or employer identification number at irs.gov. You're also going to need to find a proper business location. You must have a physical office that is not your home. Also, you're going to need to buy a $50,000 surety bond. This protects your customers. Also, you're going to need to buy a $50,000 surety bond as this will protect your customers and it should cost around $300 to $500 per year depending on credit. Next is, of course, you're going to now gather required documents such as dealer education certificate, lease or proof of business address, bond certificate, sales tax permit, ID, pictures of your office, and sign. And from there, you should now be able to start applying online via TxDMV e-licensing portal. So you can get here at txdmv.gov/dealers. So from here, make sure that you create an account and start applying. Just look for this login to e-licensing to access licensing information, submit license applications and payments, and track the progress of submitted applications. All you have to do is click on this link. So just a reminder that you're going to need to pay $700 application fee and $90 for dealer plates, but this is optional. And if all is good, you should get your license in 2 to 8 weeks. You can now buy and sell cars legally. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!